Installing Google Play Store. Let's start with the Google Chrome browser. Then open the Google Play Store page. Next, using the browser menu, create a shortcut and mark it to open in a separate window. Google Play is installed and you can run it from your desktop. Now let's download and install the app. Open the search and enter the name of the application we need. Let it be Google Keep. After finding the required application, call the context menu by right-clicking on the page with the application and select Copy the link address. Next, open a web browser and enter in the search bar, AppPure. Let's open the page and by right-clicking on the input field, we will call the context menu, with the help of which we will insert the link address. Click Search. The application page will open. Here we will download our application, by clicking on the download buttons and closing the advertisement. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. The download of the file began. After the file has finished downloading, we open a browser search and look for LD Player. Opening the web page, we download the program. After downloading the file and installing it, the program will start. Close unnecessary windows. On the panel on the right in the program, click on the Install App button. In the window that opens, select our application file that we downloaded earlier. The application will be installed. Thank you for watching.